equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean, flat workspace. First, power off your HP 15's FQ2011NS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical damage during this process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or your fingers. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the interior using compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. Now, locate the memory slots. You should see 1 or 2 slots depending on your current configuration. If you're adding memory, ensure you have compatible RAM. If you're replacing it, gently release the clips on either side of the existing RAM module and lift it out at a 30-degree angle. Insert the new RAM module into the empty slot or the slot where the old RAM was removed. Make sure it's aligned correctly and press down firmly until the clips click into place. If you're unsure about compatibility, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right components. Once the RAM is securely installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. Before powering on your laptop, it's wise to check that everything is in order. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Now, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. As it boots up, enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key, usually F10 or Escape, during startup. Check the system information to confirm that the new memory is recognized. If everything looks good, exit the BIOS and let your laptop boot into the operating system. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded the memory on your HP 15's FQ2011NS. If you encounter any issues or prefer to have a professional handle it, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Enjoy the enhanced performance of your laptop. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.